Hello all you beauty people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are doing something fun, fresh, kooky. It's another collab video with my girl group, girl gang going on. So excited to bring you guys this video. Obviously you guys can kind of see what's on my face, but how did I get this and why? So let's just go ahead and jump into this video. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I post videos 2 to 3 times a week. Beauty, lifestyle, makeup, fun, creative things like this, especially since it's the month of October. I will tell you guys a little bit more what's going on, and then we will just kind of jump into this. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then let's just go ahead and get going. Before that, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's do this. Alright, so obviously you guys can tell I've got this really fun look on my face. Why? Again, this is my girl collab group. It is the oh my god. Why am I blanking on what this is called? Alright, it's Rbsg, Random Beauty Support Group. Anyways, so a bunch of us lovely ladies, which I forgot to put it in last time. Somewhere here I'll put a photo of all the girls that are in this group with me. Obviously there will be a playlist, a link down below for all our videos for this month. So just so you guys kind of know what this collab group kind of does, every single month we get a word. It's randomly chosen by our girl Ari. She does a random word generator. The person of that month gets that word and kind of chooses on what we're deciding to do with that word. So I believe this month it was Jessica who had the word for the month. Let me double check that too. Where are we at? Yes, Jessica Johnson is the one who got the word for this month, which the word is delay. Her thought process was somewhere doing something kind of delay, whether short on time, whether you do some type of quick makeup look, or she kind of wanted to do more of like a steampunk look. So that's what your girl decided to do. She took on the challenge. I decided to kind of do this pop art steampunk type of look, and also kind of the quick look that I would do if I delayed on time, and what I would do in a quick pinch if I needed to. So if you guys want to see how I created this, then let's go ahead and get started. Again, don't forget to go ahead and check out my girls down below. Also, I forgot to say that next month is my birthday month, and I have the word for next month, which is going to be really, really fun to do and create, and I'm just so excited for the word. I can feel it, I can grasp it. And girls, I'm gonna challenge you. I'm just telling you that right now. I'm going to challenge you no matter what the word is. So, challenge accepted. Let's go ahead and be delayed. I don't know. Let's do this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just jump into this look. I'm so excited to kind of figure out what I'm doing with this. Obviously, like I said previously before, the word is delay. So, delaying on time. I'm pretty sure I think I'm going to go with that steampunk type of look. I've kind of started off my face with just the base. My eyebrows are pretty much already done. I might need to fill them in just a little bit more to make them a little bit darker. But we're going to do a really fun twist on this look. So as you guys watch me create this, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to kind of fast forward, and I'll talk about some of the products in the end, or kind of show you them as I go. But yeah, I'm super excited to kind of see how this turns out, what it's going to look like, because I don't know. I'm scared just a little bit. But yeah. I'm gonna get my mirror open. Okay. Oh god, oh god. Good thing I'm gonna jump in the shower right after this and just wash it all off. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so this is the finished look. Obviously off camera I kind of finished off a few different things offhand. But so what do you guys think of this? So I kind of tried to do a fun type of like pop art, steampunk, like mask on my face with the little clock in the corner. I kind of messed up on the time because I did it in reverse my way where it looked right, but obviously my way was the wrong way because it should have been the opposite, which would have been your way would have been the right way. Anyways, it's still kind of fun anyways because it's kooky and I'm digging it. I think it's really fun. So I've never done anything like this. I think this collab is definitely pushing me out of my comfort zone, my box, and making me create new things I've never tried before. And that's the great thing about makeup, is we can just do anything we want to do with it, and it is just fun to create and just go all out and have fun with it. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you guys appreciate it. Obviously, like I kind of showed you guys briefly, this was the main star of the show, which was the Jeffree Star 24K Skin Frost palette, which did have all these lovely bronze goldish tones, which was great for like the steampunk look. Other than that, pretty much I just used an eyeliner, a dark lip that I kind of put this over, and then obviously you guys can tell on the other side is kind of just like a regular look, so it kind of just looks like a mask that I have on half of my face. I think I could have done a little bit better on the mask. I think it's supposed to go up a little bit more for like the pop art type of look. I took inspiration off of, oh my god, what is her name? I literally am forgetting. What is my phone doing? That girl Shay. Took the inspiration from her video to kind of do this type of like mask look, and then this is what happened. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Obviously, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, hit this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget the notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And I'll see you in the next one. And if you guys decide to recreate this type of look or something like it, don't forget to go ahead and tag me in it because you know your girl would love to see it. Alright, so again, I love you guys so much. Talk to you guys later. Bye.